Street workout tips. Street workout tips. Utilize urban structures. Use bars, benches, and stairs for exercises. Dynamic warm-up. Prep with jogging and dynamic stretches. Bodyweight basics include pull-ups, push-ups, dips, and squats. Progress gradually. Increase intensity and complexity over time. Core focus. Add planks, leg raises, and hanging exercises. Skill training. Practice handstands, muscle-ups, and functional movements. Rest and recover. Allow time between sessions for recovery. Consistency is key. Stick to a regular workout schedule. Hydrate. Bring water for outdoor workouts. Variety matters. Keep workouts diverse for sustained interest. Post-workout stretch. Include static stretches for flexibility. Start slow. Consult pros. Begin at your level. Seek guidance.